Cambly learners! I'm Amanda, a tutor on Cambly Kids. Have you ever wondered about the magical power of saying thank you? Well, get ready. In today's lesson, we're going to dive into the wonderful world of gratitude. We're going to learn what gratitude is and all about saying thank you. We'll learn how to say it, when to say it, and why it's important. Let's begin. Gratitude is like having a warm, fuzzy feeling inside your heart. It's a way to show appreciation for the people, things, and experiences that make our lives better. When we feel grateful, we feel happy and content. That happiness spreads joy throughout the world and makes it a better place. So, how do we say thank you? We can say thank you using our actions and our words. It can be as simple as a quick smile to a stranger, or it can be deep and meaningful, like a heartfelt letter or a gift that you spent a long time trying to pick out for someone. Imagine that you receive a gift. Instead of just tearing open the wrapping paper, trying to see what's inside as quick as you can, take a moment and look at the person who gave you the gift in the eyes. Tell them, "Thank you so much. This means the world to me." I bet that you'll see their face light up. Your gratitude makes them feel special and appreciated. You can say thank you anytime someone helps you or does something kind. It's an easy way to spread the magical feeling of gratitude to the people who are special in your life. So, whether it's a big favor or a small act of kindness, don't forget to say thank you. The best part about saying thank you is that you can do it anytime, anywhere, whether it's at home, at the park, at school, even outer space. Well, maybe not that last one, but you get the point. You can say thank you to your parents when they cook you your favorite meal, your friends for sharing their toys or making you laugh, your teacher for teaching you something new. You can even thank a stranger for holding the door open for you. Every day is filled with opportunities to say thank you. Even the tiniest acts deserve a heartfelt thank you. Now let's talk about why saying thank you is so important. First, it lets the person you're thanking know that they are valued and appreciated. When you acknowledge their kindness, it shows that you see and you recognize their effort. Just imagine how you would feel if someone said thank you to you, and how it sometimes hurts when someone forgets. Saying thank you also helps build meaningful relationships. It strengthens the bond between family, friends, even strangers. It creates a positive atmosphere where people feel more connected and are willing to help each other. You can think of gratitude as the glue that holds everyone together. And even more, gratitude has a very powerful impact on our own happiness and well being. When we focus on what we're grateful for, it shifts our attention from what we don't have to what we do. It helps us focus on the little things in life that might often go unnoticed. It helps us see a brighter picture of our life. Practicing gratitude, saying thank you, helps us become better people, make others feel great, and overall makes the world a better place. I hope you enjoyed learning about the magical power of saying thank you. It truly brings out the best in ourselves and others. So let's create a world full of kindness, appreciation, and joy by saying thank you with our actions, our words, and our smiles. Thank you so much, everybody. I had a great time learning with you today, and I'm so excited for our next lesson. If you are interested in learning English with native speakers like me, you should join Cambly Kids today. At Cambly Kids, you can practice your English through fun lessons and relaxing conversations with native speakers. If you're interested, follow the link below to book a class today. Thank you so much. See you next time.